iteration, and again like you need to put a semicolon here at least, then it will be followed by your body of loop. So it will be useful in some such cases. And also the another thing which we would like check is like including more expressions inside the loop. So for that, for example, if you have like two variables, so most of the times we use nested for that, like when we are doing like a loop with an int I and we use a loop with int j. But in case of some series and the stuff, I don't know, like they aren't there in this syllabus and stuff. So for that, we can generally use like this two variable thing. So in that, it would go like we can declare two of them, like I is equal to 0 followed by an a is equal to 0. So we can put a pair of statements, but you should be aware that the condition which is there should be one. So there can be two like declaration and two iterations which can be found inside a for loop. But the condition, for example, whatsoever it is, like it is a, suppose a less than equal to 50, take this, then this should be only one followed by this. So we can't have two conditions, but we can iterate, like we can have like an I plus plus and then a minus minus, sorry, like this, yeah, separated by commas for the similar stuff. So you can have like this followed by a body, you can do. So we can also include more expressions in a for loop if we have in a case. And also one more concept is like we can have a null or a bodiless loop also. So in that again it will be like the same three conditions followed by a bodiless loop. Sometimes they are useful when we used to like print spaces or stuff in some series and some codes like that. So again, we'll not like go in too deep. When you will have codes, you will let them know. And one more important concept is like when you are doing loops from the starting and all, if you will start, you will have like many cases in which you will have like endless, or we can say infinite loops or infinite looping structures. So that it might be due to some errors and stuff. And also there is a way to terminate that, make that. For example, if we have a is 1 and if we do a is less than or equal to 10 and we end it like this, so the body of the entire loop will be like infinite because we like have not properly given the iteration. So it is basically like an error. Still it is like another way of doing that. Again, we have many of the cases. So the one quick fact. So this were the like 2-3 concepts which I wanted to share. I hope you have taken like screenshots and stuff. And I don't know, the shortest for loop which is exist is this one. This also is a for loop. It is like again an endless loop, but it is a two structure. No one can tell like it is not. It exists. It doesn't have anything, but still it's a infinite loop. So by syntax it's correct. Still again, if you see, then it's an error. And I have told you guys about the nested loops and stuff. And one more thing. Yeah, I think more or less it is fine for now. So I hope these 3 quick concepts are clear. They were like, you should consider them just like mind freshers. As of now, we were indulge in a lot of activities. I hope you get a bit of it. They are not that much important, but still I thought so. I shared them. And I will share the activities which you guys need to do in the chat box. Thank you.